Ever feel like 24 hours just isn't enough? Like your to-do list keeps growing, but your time keeps shrinking? You're not alone. In today's world, time has become our most precious currency. And most people? They're spending it like they've got unlimited credit. Between work, emails, family, social plans, and that side hustle you swear you'll start, it's no wonder we feel overwhelmed. But here's the hard truth. It's not a time problem. It's a management problem. Because when you don't control your time controls you. And that leads to stress, burnout, and opportunities slipping through your fingers before you even realize it. So, what's the fix? It starts with the 4 pillars of real-time mastery. First, prioritization. Ask yourself, what actually matters today? Not what's urgent, not what's loud. What moves the needle? Start there. Always. Second, time blocking. Think of your day like a puzzle. Each block is a piece. Want deep work? Block it out. Need rest? Block that too. Because when you schedule it, you protect it. Third, minimize distractions. Yes, that means putting your phone on silent. Yes, that means closing 14 browser tabs. Yes, that means telling people, I'll talk later. You can't focus in chaos. Build a space where focus can live. And fourth, delegation. You don't have to do everything yourself. Ask for help, hire it out, share the load. Because doing less is how you do more of what matters. Now let's get tactical. Start by tracking your time. Seriously, write it down or use a tracker. You'll be shocked at how much time leaks away in tiny, invisible ways. Then try batching tasks. Check all your emails at once. Do all your errands in one trip. Make your brain switch gears less and flow more. And here's the most powerful tool you're not using. The word no. Say it. Say it without guilt. Say it when something doesn't match your priorities. Because every yes you give to the wrong thing steals time from the right one. But time mastery isn't a one-day transformation. It's a skill. One habit, one shift, one win at a time. So start small. Block 30 minutes today. Say no once. Batch one task. Then do it again tomorrow. Set realistic goals, not perfect schedule goals, but progress goals. Goals that stretch you without snapping you. And when you hit those goals, celebrate. Reward yourself. Because you're not just managing time, you're changing your relationship with it. Here's the part most people miss. Time management isn't about cramming more in. It's about making space. Space for the things that light you up, that actually matter. Family, passion projects, quiet mornings. Growth, that's the real win. Because when you control your time, you control your energy, you control your focus, you control your life. You stop surviving the day and start owning it. And from there, the possibilities are limitless.